In need of a new artwork or collectible? Can't find an NFT you deem worthy? Check out Rarible.
Rarible is one of the first marketplaces on the internet enabling artists to independently monetize their work through NFT technology. Anytime a piece of art is created on the market, a crypto token is sent to a blockchain, validating each buyer's and seller's ownership and paying out royalties to the original creator on every trade. After you have created or minted the NFT, it will be listed for users to bid on, buy, or just view on the platform, making Rarible an auction house, marketplace, as well as digital art gallery. The RARI token is the first governance token of an NFT marketplace, aiming to reward active platform users with a vote in the development of the platform, creating a community around the ecosystem with real influence over what they care about and ways to profit from their time spent. The RARI tokens are only obtainable via a liquidity mining process. Each Sunday, users are being awarded tokens based on platform transactions, dividing the available amount up 50-50 between buyers and sellers. Rarible needs a Web3 Ethereum wallet like MetaMask with some Ether linked and connected to the website. Art NFTs are not an investment that is the same as stocks or real estate, as the value is only determined by what someone is willing to pay. Also, the Ethereum fees for minting, buying, and selling need to be watched if one wants to prevent spending a fortune for a small transaction. Rarible ultimately aims to become a fully autonomous user-governed decentralized ecosystem for digital art, artists, and collectors, giving the power to the people, ensuring the platform is a public good for anyone to use and profit from.
Sponsored by Splinterlands, the already popular NFT trading card game. Check it out, sign up, and play to earn using the link below. Like the video, and visit NonFungibleOwnership.com for future news on NFT projects you can profit from.